Hi dear students, today we are going to study what is project planning and estimation. So what do you mean by planning? Planning means we are planning the entire, planning in a software project means plan the entire software project. So in this term estimation means we have to estimate the duration and cost. There are two types of cost in project, that is internal cost and external cost. So how we estimate the cost of a project. So the metric for size of a product is the lines of code in a project. There are different techniques for cost estimation: expert judgment by analogy. Another one is bottom-up approach. Next one is algorithmic cost estimation model. And the one model to estimate the cost of a project is COCOMO model. What is the full name of COCOMO? COCOMO means constructive cost model, and it is published by BOM. There are three levels of COCOMO is there: basic COCOMO, intermediate COCOMO, detailed COCOMO. This is an important portion that usually asked in previous question papers. What do you mean by basic COCOMO? Basic COCOMO computes software development effort and cost as a function of program size. So the basic COCOMO computes software development effort and cost as a function of program size. The basic COCOMO equations take the form of what is the effort applied? It can be represented by the capital E. Capital A is equal to A into KL raised to B into that unit is man months, and development time is represented by D. It is equal to F, that is C into effort applied. Then people required is effort applied by development time. That is a count that we are getting. So these are the basic equations to calculate the basic COCOMO. Effort applied, development time and people required. Effort applied we get in man months. That is the unit for effort applied, that is A into KL raised to B, and development time it is D, it is we get in months. C into effort applied raised to D. Then people required for that project can be found out by the equation effort applied by development time. It is a count. The another level of COCOMO is intermediate COCOMO. What is intermediate COCOMO? Intermediate COCOMO computes software development effort, hardware, personal and project attributes. So intermediate COCOMO formula now takes the form of E is equal to AI into KLI raised to BI EAF. Where E is the effort applied in person months, KLORST is the estimated number of thousands of delivered lines of code for the project, and EAF is the effort adjustment factor. And the effort adjustment factor ranges from 0.9 to 1.4. Another is the detailed COCOMO. The 5 phases of detailed COCOMO are plan and requirement, system design, detailed design, module cost and test, integration test. Then second is COCOMO2. COCOMO2 is a comprehensive estimation model. The submodels of COCOMO2 are application composition model. It is used during the early stages of software engineering when minimal knowledge is available about the product. Then early design stage model is there. It is used once requirements have been stabilized and basic software architecture has been established. Then post architecture stage model is used during the construction of the software. So the new object point is calculated using the formula NOP is equal to object points into 100 minus percentage reuse by 100. There the productivity rate is calculated by productivity, that is PROD is equal to NOP by person months. The estimated effort can be calculated by NOP by PROD. So this is all about COCOMO and COCOMO2. We'll come with the next video. Till then, bye.